this business actually a profitable business?
Yes, that is why I'm here.
Okay. Continue teaching them
Placement will
placements.
be not only in Bangalore, it will be all over India.
When we start a business, a lot of complications, problems come up.
After lockdown, we thought of,
What are the things that are mandatory to have in a nail salon?
all these three registration are mandatory.
Mandatory. Okay, so what are the licenses that?
According to the weather, you should wear the colors.
This is something new for me. According to the weather, the color should be according to the weather.
Yes. These boys and all, like they feel shy. They're very interested, okay?
So, how did you come up with the solutions? So, let's see how it comes up. So, I'm gonna give you the review by myself. You can see how beautiful they are looking.
What do you say? Like happy place? We met online
We
actually.
met online.
Yes.
So today we are here at Nail Studio. The name of this nail studio is Own Your Nails, and as we know that every woman and lady loves to come this place. This is like a heaven for them, absolutely. So here we'll be seeing that what actually happens inside a nail studio, how nails are done, what are the prices of the nails, what kind of nails can you get. And also if you want to be a part of it and want to learn how to do nails, they also have an academy, so I'll be giving you a brief about that as well. And if you want to learn nails, you can come here, learn it, and then you can start your business as well. So we'll be asking them all the questions and the answers that you need to know. Let's go. So here I am at this beautiful nail studio, which is owned by Zareen, here with us. Hi Zareen,
Hi.
nice to meet you. Hello.
to meet you too.
She owns this Own Your Nails studio, and I would say that this looks amazing and beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so here as we can see, like girls especially nowadays, they're like crazy about nails.
Correct. Yes.
So what do you think? Like, is getting your nails done really important?
It is really important actually. Nails is a luxury services, so all the women, all the girls nowadays, whenever they have any occasions, not only for the weddings and all, like for a small party also, if they wants to go, definitely they wants to get their nails done. Yes.
It is mandatory to get your nails done. Okay. So can you tell us, like, how did you thought of starting this nail salon?
Me and my husband, we have started this On Your Nails. I've been working in the nail industry for like so many years now. It has been like 10 plus of years.
Okay.
So like this one become our, what do you say? Like happy place.
Okay, so this is your happy
This
place.
is our happy place.
Okay.
Yes. So like me and my husband decided to open this On Your Nails, So like before we used to collaborate in the salon, like salon to salon we used to collaborate and work, and then also after that when we are seeing the nail, are into a trend, then me and my husband have decided that why not we start this.
So we have started this in 2023. It's been 1.5 years. She used to do nails, and then she started doing training. After lockdown, we thought of, making a place where we can start with the nails. And we thought of like, let's keep it very exclusive.
So, but here I can see there are like plenty of colors. It's looking so colorful, various of designs. So let's go and have a sneak peek at the designs and colors. Oh my God, this is
Amazing.
beautiful. Yeah.
Heaven.
Oh my God, is this a spider?
Yeah, 3D spider.
Okay.
And this a marble.
Okay, can you show a few like customized designs that you have done?
This one of our client, like she loved her dog so much. She loved her puppy so much. So she was like, why not I do this one on my nails? Can you do it? So like, okay.
So this is done by you?
Yeah.
Absolutely amazing.
So look at all these designs and all.
Oh my God, all the cartoon characters.
Yeah, all the cartoon
I can see
characters,
Shin Chan here. Minnie Mouse, Mickey Mouse, Pooh.
Yes.
Oh my God. So like if we talk about these nails, like what are the charges?
We are not overcharged.
Okay.
So like our extensions start from like 1,700.
1,700
Okay, and then if they want to
extensions.
go for a nail art, then nail art start from like 100, 150 per nail or 200 per nail,
Okay.
depending on the design that we'll charge.
Okay.
Okay.
So it depends absolutely on the design.
Yes, yes. These are like on
Okay.
trend though.
Metallic and everything.
Yeah, metallic. Like
Okay.
you have like millions of this one.
Colors, yeah.
And these are cat eye. These are like very nice.
Okay.
We have.
So these are the colors that you
Yeah.
provide. Okay.
Correct.
So like, can you tell us a little bit about the process? Like, how is the nail art or nail extension done? So
Okay.
little process.
In a very simple this thing.
Yeah.
So like if you're doing extension, definitely you need to cut your nails. Okay, and then you have to extend the nails. So to extend the nails, you have to use nail tips, which is this one.
Okay.
Okay, you have to take this one and stick it and create the lens and apply all the acrylic or a gel or poly gel, whichever you prefer. We will give you that product.
It takes hours to
process
get
is
your
like
nails
long.
done.
The process is very long.
Okay.
You should have a very good experience here.
Experience.
Yes,
Because it's done in a very tiny space and everything like
correct,
yeah.
correct.
So
Oh, yes, you understood
miniature.
that one. Yeah, thank you so much that you understood that.
Sure.
Yeah, nails are not easy direction.
Not easy, absolutely.
Definitely, again, I will mention again, like nail is a luxury services.
Okay.
You don't want to change your nail technician just like that.
How long have you been like here in this place starting your studio?
It has been 1.5 years now.
1.5 years.
1.5 years, yes.
So like, how much investment did you put?
Including our advance and the products and everything, we have spent almost 15 lakhs.
Okay, so 15
Yeah.
lakhs for this studio you have put.
Yes.
Okay. We talked about the investment part, but also when we talk about the investment, profit. So is this business actually a profitable business?
Yes.
Yes, it is. That is why you're doing it.
It is. That is why I'm here.
Okay. So how much profit? Like, what is about the normal percentage you can earn?
Okay, so like monthly we are earning around like 7 lakhs.
7 lakhs.
And then our expenses are around like 3.5. So
Three and a
like
half. So 50%
you can,
of the
like,
profit,
yeah,
something like that,
we
you
have,
are
yes,
getting.
we are
And
getting.
also the best part that you love this job and
yeah,
that's
we do
what
love-
you are
this
doing.
is our
So,
life.
okay.
Uh-huh.
So like also I came to know that you have an academy where you teach youngsters like how to do nails and everything.
First thing,
So
like
you
whoever I have on the floor, okay, all of them I only teach.
Okay, you have taught them.
Also,
Okay.
yes, all of them.
Okay.
They are like perfect for me. They are like my
Your
girls,
jolly
my
friends.
team. Yes,
Okay.
and also like comes to my academy here.
Yeah.
So I have a few students. So like we teach lots of things here: acrylic, gel, poly gel, about everything, nail art, 3D, 2D, or all gel polish applications and everything. We give a knowledge also about academy. Before I take any students, I would love my students to come and take a trial class. Comes to the pricing and all also. We have classes for like 1 month, for like let's say 30 days.
30 days.
30 days of classes, and then the pricing is for 30,000.
Okay.
Okay, I will provide a syllabus somewhat like this for all my students.
I will start from like a nail shaping, comes to gel polish, removal, extensions, comes to all this. Okay, acrylic, different extensions, 3D extensions, overlays and everything. Polygel extensions, dry and build.
So they're like plenty of options for everything.
I will also share a lot of product knowledge.
So that means you start with the basics and you go on and continue teaching them like all these things.
And then after that I will give them a placement also.
Okay, so you also
So the
give
placement
placements.
will be not only in Bangalore, it will be all over India.
Okay, so pan India. You give
Pan
placements.
India.
Oh my god.
Placement.
A lot of youngsters, they are going for like different types of nails, different designs. They come with the customizations and everything. So you are here to like fulfill their demands.
Their demand, their dreams.
Their dream. So what kind of customization they come up with? What kind of desires they come up with?
If they are giving us anything,
Okay.
we will customize and then we will
Do
give
it.
them.
When we start a business, a lot of complications, problems come up. Did you face something and how did you come over that?
That one I think I want to include my husband.
Like also we have seen whenever you start a business, like specifically a business like nails, so a lot of complications, problems come up by time. Okay, so you must have faced a lot of problems as well while starting this business. But how did you overcome those problems and what were the solutions you found?
To start any kind of a business, we need definitely a PPMP certificate. Second is Udyam.
Okay.
And third is GST. All these three registration are mandatory. Yes. So after starting the business, the complication comes with the services. It's mostly the nails chipping out,
Okay.
and sometimes the products has been expired. We have not noticed, so we have to keep an track on products and any the client, if they are facing any kind of services, so we have to resolve their issues.
Okay.
And we have to take out the age also, like under 15 they cannot go with the like extension, the hard extensions and all. You have to keep in all those things in mind as well.
So, how did you come up with the solutions?
Solution basically requires a lot of time,
Spending time, giving
Spending time.
dedication and everything
that is what
that helped you
it's
come up.
it's all about time. It's nothing like as soon as we start business we'll not face any issues. Definitely issues will be there, but meanwhile the time goes by, you also learn so many things.
Oh, so many things, absolutely.
Now everything as it is been online,
Online, yeah.
so all the things, like for an example, to do nails they don't do walk-ins.
Okay.
Definitely they want to see your Insta
See
page,
your Insta page, absolutely.
they see your work.
Like, you are saying that it is really important to market yourself, doesn't matter what the business is. So, you market yourself?
Yes, I do completely. I took a lot of courses for online marketing. Then I started by my own. I thought of hiring agency.
Okay.
Then I thought of I'll be not having any job.
Okay. So, like
yeah,
that,
so
you
I-
started marketing
Yeah. So my part of the job here mostly is to take appointments,
take appointments,
do
market.
marketing, take calls, bring them here,
Yeah.
and
Okay.
provide the services with my staff.
And the rest is done by
And the rest
VP.
is done by her. She makes all our staff making align with upgraded training and all those things. Or any new products are coming or something, even our staff also will be upgraded to those things. Comparing to only having a nail salon.
Okay.
Okay, so we have an academy, and she's the
there
one who
you-
keeps everything on the line,
on
and
the track.
upgraded as well.
Yeah. So, like, if I can see here, there are like plenty of colors here. So, how many colors do you have?
Okay, we have like 350 plus of colors.
How many?
350.
You have 350. Oh my god,
Okay.
350 plus,
Plus of
color
colors.
shades.
Yes, and then
Seriously.
you have like
all these options.
millions of nail art you have.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
So, like, we have seen like the regular nail paints we take home, they get dried up and all that issues. So, but if you have 350 plus of nail shades, like, you must be facing such problems, right?
Oh no, we don't. These are gel polish, of course. So this one is not going to get dry.
Okay, so these are not
Okay?
gonna get dry.
Yeah, these are like professionally used.
So, can you specifically pick some and tell us the prices, like getting
Pricing?
this? Yeah.
Okay.
The nail art bottle.
Yeah, sure. Why not? Let's
Sure.
go. Let's go with the chrome. I'll show you a few chromes also.
Okay, sure.
So like this chrome start from like 150 per nail.
150 per
150
nails.
per nails.
Okay. Okay.
3D jewel
3D.
and all. It starts from like 50 rupees or 100 rupees.
Okay, so 50 rupees,
Yeah.
100 rupees per nail.
And also like when it comes to 3D, 2D, these are like 250 per nail.
250 per
Yeah.
nail.
Customized nails are like always a little bit costly.
Costly, huh?
Yeah, it
Because
goes
that
up to
takes a
like
lot of
300,
efforts, time, and everything.
I'll show you a trending nail art that it's going on.
Okay, sure.
Let me something like this kind of bow.
Okay, so
Yeah,
this is trending.
Yeah, bows are on trending.
So, like, what are the colors that most of the customers prefer, or and design?
According to the weather, you should wear the colors also.
Okay. This is something new for me as
Yeah.
well. Okay, according to the weather, the color should be according to the weather.
See, on summer, nobody likes to go for a dark color.
Dark shade, yeah.
Now, starting from this month, everybody started wearing a dark color.
Dark colours.
Yes.
Okay. I to got a lot of new information regarding nails. Seriously, like, I never knew that. So thank you so much, Zareen, for giving us your time, and this ambience is beautiful, I would tell you.
Thank
you so much for giving
Thanks
us your
a lot.
time.
Thank you.
So I'm to really excited to get my nails done, and I am on the position already. And Grace and Rajita, they're helping me. Thank you so much for doing this. So let's see how it comes up. So I'm gonna give you the review by myself. So continue watching and wait for the results. So, like, as if I ask, like, how many customers do come to this salon, like, on a daily basis, if we talk about?
We get in a day like 10 plus of customers. In the evening we have, but not now.
Now,
Like,
in a
one
month.
or two clients as
So
of now.
they
Yes.
take appointments.
Yeah, according to appointments. only.
Appointments
Yeah.
itself.
Without the appointments, we cannot
Do it.
do the services.
Okay, has it ever happened like someone is suddenly coming up like it's an emergency, please get my nails done?
Yes, and then they end up waiting.
Okay.
Yeah, they end up waiting. But like when we don't have any customer and they are walking in, then yes, we also receive their
Receive.
One nail technician can do service at least like 6 to 7 customers they can perform.
Okay.
But that also like they should be like depending on their speed and the experience that they have.
They have.
Yeah.
Okay, so experience is also very
important.
So like here I am getting my nails done. So can you tell the process like how
Okay,
it
so
happens?
right
Yeah.
now, like she's going to do extension, so she's
Okay.
prepping your nails. This is
Okay.
a process of prepping.
Okay.
Okay, so she's sticking the nails. So she's going to stick with that nail glue.
Okay.
So basically, she's going to create the length for you.
Length for me.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. And then after that, they will shape it, and then they will start applying the product.
Well, I am so really loving this. I can't tell you. I would absolutely suggest get your winter nails done here.
Yes.
At your own your nail salon.
And also, like, we have lots of Christmas design. Your Christmas design also ready.
Ready.
Yeah.
Okay. So you can get your Christmas designs get done as well.
Whenever like we have in the academy also, these boys and all, like they feel shy. They're very interested, okay? But they feel shy to come to learn. Yeah, and then I was like, no, come. It's okay. Yes, you can learn because in nails you have a future, to be honest.
Okay.
You can do freelancing. You know, you can set up your home studio. Yeah, once you. If your work is good, again, you know, to gain customer, it's like again very easy.
So I'm absolutely in love. You can see how beautiful they are looking. I can definitely say that now I own my nails. And if you also want to own your nail, you can come here to Jayanagar 9th block at Own Your Nails Studio. By the way, I'm loving this. And if you also love this, comment down below and tell me how this is looking. So this was all about the nail studio, but if you also have any place that you want me to come and cover for you, let me know in the comments and I'll be there for you. See you next time.